up, everybody? Hope everybody's day is going well. Hope your week is good. It is only Tuesday. At least when I'm recording this video, it's only Tuesday. Anyway, haven't put a moto vlog out yet. I've been riding to work and stuff, but I've either been having trouble with my camera or just no real time to do stuff. Working the bike shop and the hobby shop, and then on my free time I coach and do work at my house. Anyway, coaching baseball. Coach my son's baseball rec team. I say rec team because he is on a travel team also. The travel team has not done any tournaments yet. Anyway, the rec team, we are 3-3-1. My son has been pitching. He pitched I think 4 or 5 games, and he has done tremendous. His pitching is coming along so well. He's only let 1 run in the whole time pitching every game, and it was on airs. So technically it wasn't even his fault. And why is this guy backing out in the middle of the street like that? Anyway, he's been hitting well. He has 2 triples and like 4 doubles and a bunch of singles. But he has been doing really, really well. First base, making good plays. I mean, wherever I put him on the field, he always seems to pull through everything, whatever he does. Sees the ball well. As the rest of my team, I got a pretty good team. I got 3 or 4 other kids that they're pretty good pitchers. Batting's very good. Needed a little tweak here and there on some of them, but I got them hitting pretty well. Fielding's decent. It should, honestly, the 3 games we lost, one of them was against a really, really good team that honestly I don't think were 13 and 14 year olds, because they had facial hair and their voices were very, very deep. Wow, I'm going 50. Anyway, the other 2 games that we lost, it was like my kids just didn't show up. I accidentally deleted some footage from earlier. Right here, right down here, I was coming up the hill going to work, and I was behind an SUV. There was a dump truck sitting right here with his left turn signal on, going into that plan, and the SUV went into the oncoming traffic and went around him. He had his left turn signal on. People are idiots. anyway, guys, that's just a little update on what's been going on. Work in baseball is pretty much what I've been doing. A little bit of airsoft here and there. You guys see the videos. Well, I hope you do. But anyway, guys, thanks for all the support. For everybody who has subscribed to me. And everybody just have a great day, great week. Being it's only Tuesday,
Hey, you mark.